Hi everyone, and welcome to Elite Reviews. Recent events worldwide, including the United States, have led to a significant increase in new shooters and first-time gun owners. Many individuals are realizing the importance of firearm ownership for self, defense, and home protection. However, it's crucial to acknowledge that merely owning a gun does not automatically guarantee safety, just as having a guitar doesn't make you a musician. To use a firearm effectively and safely, proper training is essential. While experienced shooters might find this information basic, it can be incredibly helpful for beginners who have never shot a gun before. If you are an experienced shooter, I encourage you to share this video with someone who is new to firearms. Hopefully, it will provide them with a head start in their journey. Stay tuned for more videos like this in the future. Also, remember to keep your firearms clean and well maintained with our Attica Armory citrus-powered synthetic CLP. For more information, visit us at atticaarmory.com. Now, let's get started. Today, we will demonstrate the loading and unloading procedures using a Glock Model 19 chambered in 9mm Luger. We will be using dummy practice rounds for this demonstration. Before we begin, familiarize yourself with the controls of your specific firearm, such as the magazine release, slide stop, and slide release. Knowing the location of these controls is crucial. You can refer to your firearms owner's manual for specific details. I will start with an unloaded firearm, which, in my opinion, is the only condition where I consider a gun to be truly unloaded. This condition involves having the magazine removed and the slide locked open, allowing a clear view into the firing chamber to ensure there is no round present. Always verify and double-check the firearm status, regardless of who tells you it's clear. Treat every gun as if it were loaded to avoid any potential accidents. When I'm at the shooting range and finished shooting, I leave my gun in this condition, facing a direction where I can easily see the firing chamber. This is the position we will practice loading from today. To load the magazine, I prefer using my strong hand to hold it and my thumb to push the rounds down. I support the magazine with my left hand, which feeds the rounds. Start with the cartridge rim aligned with the front end of the magazine's feed lips. Press down with your thumb and pull the slide back to seat the round against the back of the magazine. Repeat this process for each round, aligning it with the front of the feed lips, pressing down and pulling back. Some guns come with speed loaders or loading assistance tools, which can be helpful, especially for pistols with strong springs. These tools help compress the rounds into the magazine, making it easier to load. Place the magazine on a flat surface, insert the first round manually, and use the speed loader to compress the rounds while feeding them into the magazine. Now, a quick side note on why I wear gloves during these videos, especially when loading my defensive handguns. I want to keep my fingerprints off the casings to avoid potential issues. In case of theft or a firearm being used in a crime, having my fingerprints on the casings can create unnecessary complications. Additionally, the oils and salts present on fingers can be slightly corrosive and tarnish ammunition over time. So, it's best to keep your fingerprints off the ammo and handle them with gloves. Remember to prioritize safety, follow proper loading procedures, and keep the muzzle pointed in a safe direction at all times. Once you have loaded the magazine with the desired number of rounds, ensure that your finger is off the trigger and the gun is pointed in a safe direction. To load the firearm, insert the loaded magazine into the magazine well located on the grip of the pistol. Apply firm pressure until you hear a click or feel the magazine lock into place. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it is securely seated. Now, it's time to chamber a round. With a strong grip on the firearm, use your support hand to grasp the slide at the rear serrations, while keeping your finger away from the trigger. Pull the slide fully rearward, then release it forward in a controlled manner. This action will feed a round from the magazine into the chamber, readying the firearm for firing. Always ensure that you keep your finger outside the trigger guard until you are ready to shoot. Practice good trigger discipline and only place your finger on the trigger when you are aiming at the intended target and ready to fire. To unload the firearm first, remove your finger from the trigger and keep the muzzle pointed in a safe direction. Press the magazine release button to drop the magazine out of the firearm. Visually and physically inspect the chamber to ensure there are no rounds present. Lock the slide back to visually check the chamber, and if necessary, use your support hand to physically check by inserting a finger or a suitable tool. Never rely solely on visual inspection. If you need to unload a live round from the chamber without firing it, Keep the muzzle pointed in a safe direction and press the slide stop or slide release lever to allow the slide to move forward. This action will extract and eject the round from the chamber. Remember to safely collect and store ejected rounds or spent casings. Always remember that safety is paramount when handling firearms. Treat every firearm as if it is loaded, even if you believe it to be unloaded. Familiarize yourself with your specific firearms manual of operation, as different firearms may have variations in their loading and unloading procedures. Regular practice, education, and training are crucial for safe and responsible firearm ownership. If you are new to firearms, consider seeking out certified firearms training courses or professional instruction to ensure you develop proper handling techniques and safety protocols. Thank you for joining us today at Elite Reviews. Remember to stay informed, stay safe, and continue practicing responsible firearm ownership. For more information, products, and resources, subscribe us at Elite Reviews 227.